I don't know. They have all sorts of batteries too, buddy. This is such an exciting sport we're in. Doesn't it look like, am I right about this, that this would be what it looks like?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna buy these and I'm gonna see if they are not enough wattage, then I'll just bring them all back within 14 days. How's that? Would that work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. Because if it works enough, oh God, I wish we didn't buy these stupid lights. Okay, so let me put this one back. What do you wish I told you? Huh?
Then what you want to do after removing that part is remove the side screws from the shield.
Right, but is it going to be like really hardly any light?
No, you're still going to get lights, but the brightness that you expect or you want.
Again, keeping the screws together. I do apologize for the background noise. We are running a business. So, after removing the screws and again keeping them together, you're going to move down to the home button right here. And as you notice, it's had a repair before because it's missing the screw here. So after removing that, you'll be able to remove the home button shield like that. Again, use your fingernail for right here. It's the home button cable connector. Doesn't take much. Pull it apart, and from the back you'll use your finger and push up. But again, first use a little heat. Hair dryer would work. You don't want to put it right up on it, but you know, a few inches away would do fine. Get it on both sides. And here's where your plastic spudger is going to come in handy. You want to push up with the home button on the other side. And then use the spudger to pull up that piece, twisting as you go.
Only problem is, yes, ma'am. Only problem is with the iPhone button. If you have a 6 or newer, the fingerprint scanner will not work on it. So when we replace the button, you will no longer be able to use your fingerprint scanner. The button itself will work. You still be able to use it to go to home, blah blah blah. The actual function.
Now remove the remaining screw from the shield. Keeping those together.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna have
we can do that for you.
Now right here, not all of them have this, but you're gonna want to pay attention. These black stickers here, they keep the shield down, in which case is not necessarily important. But you have to remove this before the shield will come up. And again, using the spudger or your fingernail will suffice. But you got to be careful here because you also have to remove the home button recipient cable right here. It's attached to the shield, and
so it's 15 watts. watts, just like
Just
really
7 plus,
light.
right?
You have to get it from
Like
this
if I had
side.
an
So
15-watt bulb, won't it give out something?
keep putting out heat on it.
Yeah, that's why
I know, but you know what? I feel like, why not? Because if it doesn't work, then I'm just bringing $3 back to $12.
Yeah.
But if it did work, well, I guess I keep the one, but then I still have to get the rest of them. It doesn't matter.
You can go at it from
either
two
way. I'd
separate
rather not drive back
directions.
if it works.
Right here.
Because either way, I'd be driving back. Does
$89.99.
that make sense?
You want it back, please?
And I won't drive back.
And then from up and under
No, I don't need a
For the
bag.
home button?
Yeah, you
the
know what?
shield.
I'm really sick of bags.
Yeah, all we do is just put a new one on there. Like I said, the only thing,
Sputter.
only thing you want to do
Get it
anymore
from
is
so I
the
got
fingerprint
this.
scanner. For some reason, the fingerprint scanners and the buttons are like made specifically for that phone. So if you put like another button on there, it won't work for the fingerprint scanner, but everything else will work.
Okay.
Just be very careful. There it goes.
I may see you again, and hey,
You don't want to
thanks
shred
for all my
that.
crazy.
See there? Now it's just assembled from each other.
Bye.
Yeah, be safe.
You too.
You'll be able to remove
Yeah, you can put that on there. I'll give you a $10
the shield from the screen.
No problem.